Hello, dear colleagues. I am Dr. Santhosh Enaganti, consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist at Yashoda Hospital, Hitec City branch. I am very excited to invite you all for a specially designed program for updating the busy clinicians who would like to know difficult scenarios facing during the day-to-day practices. So we are arranging a special program concerning liver and hepatobiliary system to address day-to-day practice with a very interactive case-based scenarios on the 24th March, Sunday at our Hitec City Hospital. You will enjoy our interactive session and will go back with exciting new thoughts, and also it will enhance your confidence in dealing with hepatobiliary conditions you see in your day-to-day practice. Once again, I would like to welcome you all for the Bridging the Gaps 1.0, focusing on hepatology problems in your current day-to-day practices, to our Yashoda Hospital Hitec City branch on the 24th March, Sunday this year.